Hey all, today we will see how we can deploy our Unity scene into our Android phones. Uh, I have Mac, but you can do it through Mac or your PC. We need two things before starting. First is Java Development Kit, and second, Android SDK. If you have on your Mac or PC, it's fine. Otherwise, I will tell you how to do that. Open your browser and search for Android SDK, and go to this first result, download Android SDK. I have already opened this. So we need two things. First, you have to download your uh, Android Studio and install it. And second, go down and you will get uh, just SDKs, these SDKs, and you can download for your Windows or for your Mac. So install that and remember the path where you are installing this. So mine install in downloads. You can store it anywhere, and you also have to download and install Android Studio. Once you are done that, you have to search for uh, JDK, Java Development Kit. You need JDK 8, not the 9, not the latest one. That causes some problem, I don't know, but it worked with JDK 8. Go to download page at Oracle. And you have to say that you accept the license agreement, and then download for your Mac or for your Windows, and it will install. For Windows, it will install in your program files, C program files, uh, Java JDK, and for your Mac, it will install in your user library and Java JDK. Next step is go to your Unity, click File, click on Build Settings. So you have to switch the platform. Currently I am on PC Mac, so you have to switch to Android. Click on Android and you have to click here, switch platform. Sometimes you don't have package for that, so say I don't have package for Xbox, so it will give me option to go to that page and download the Unity package. So you have to do that and install the package and restart the Unity. Then you will see all these settings. So just say switch platform over here. So it may take a while, and you will get to know your platform is switched when you see this Unity icon over this platform in front of Android. So it's switching. It's sometimes it take a lot of time. Okay, so the platform got switched. You can see this Unity icon in front of Android now. Now we have to go to player settings, and this part is a generic for all platforms, for iOS, Android, or WebGL. So you can give your company name, product name, you can select the icon for your app, but I won't go into those. But what we have to do is go to other settings, and you have to find this inside other settings. Go to identification and search for package name. This package name should be unique. It's like your company name, but in reverse order, to make sure that every app is unique. So there is a standard for that. You can give like com dot something dot something or edu dot something dot something, and they should be unique. So try to make it as unique as possible. Then in the new version of Unity, you will get this XR settings. So if you click this XR setting and click virtual reality supported, then it will ask for what virtual reality SDK you want. Uh, you can select out of all these, say Google Cardboard. What it will do is it will convert your camera to, it will attach a script to your camera so that you can rotate your camera in 360 view. It will do automatically, you don't have to do anything. And if you don't want your app to be virtual reality supported, but you want to see as a whole screen, you should not select this. But in that case, your camera will be static and you have to attach some external gyroscopic script so that you can see around. And but in the earlier version of Unity, you won't find this virtual reality supported option in XR setting. There is no XR setting. You have to go to other settings, and within rendering you will find here virtual reality supported, the second last option. So you will get the similar option over here. You have to take and select Google Cardboard, and then what you have to do is plug in your phone with the computer, Mac or PC, and hit build and run. When you say build and run, it may ask, it will ask you to save the APK somewhere in your desktop. So just give any name, and when you say save, it will ask for the SDK folder where you have saved. So I have saved at download Android SDK. You don't have to go inside, you have to select this folder and choose, and when you choose this, it will just build your application. It will launch your application on your phone. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you have any questions, just write your questions in the comments. Thank you.